How to log in to your Spine HR account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to access your Spine HR account through your mobile browser. First, open your preferred browser app on your Android device. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type in mobilelogin.spinehr.com. From there, press enter and wait for the page to load. At this point, once the page opens, scroll down a little bit until you see the login section. In the next step, enter your corporate ID in the field provided. Following this, choose between the two login options available depending on which one applies to you. Once done, enter your email address and password in the fields provided. From here, double check that everything is entered correctly before moving on. At this stage, tap the login button to proceed. Finally, once you tap it, you'll be logged straight into your Spine HR account and can access everything from there. And that's it. If this guide helped you log into your Spine HR account on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.